Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 804 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Oryza Beauty Foiler Alert Rosé Metallic Eyeshadow, and I'm so excited about this. This is the product that I chose for my April 2020 Ipsy glam bag, my regular $12 glam bag, but this is a full-size product that retails for $25.95. So I feel like I got the best deal getting this in that glam bag because I also got a lot of other great products in my glam bag, which I will of course have my unbagging video of that linked in the description down below if you haven't seen it. And so I haven't heard of the brand Oryza Beauty, but when I was looking at their website, it looked like they had a lot of beautiful products. So I love finding new makeup brands. So let's check this out. It's a squeezy tube, so I'm just gonna squeeze a little onto my finger. Ooh, it looks like a pretty copper shade, but let's see how it actually swatches. Yeah, that's much more bronze than I was expecting for a rosé. I thought it'd be like a rose gold, but this definitely looks like a brown bronze shade to me, which is fine. Still pretty. Ooh, wow, that dries down very quickly. So, okay, now I'm gonna take a clean finger and let's see. Wow, yeah. No transfer once that dries down. That's really cool. Okay, so it has full color, pigment, metallic finish, which is really beautiful. So there's what it looks like. I love the shine of it. Okay, so I want to try this out. First, I want to try blending it. So I'm just going to take a little bit and blend it out all over my eyelid to see if I can get this to be like a subtle, not exactly foiled shade. If I just want to do like a light all over the lid shimmer, because this is also supposed to be very buildable. Oh, yeah. I mean, you have to work quickly if you want it to blend out, but okay, I just did a tiny bit and it gave very subtle sparkle. Kind of did nothing, so I'm going to take a little bit more and see how that builds up. Now that, with like the 2 layers, or just if you picked up a little bit more, because I went in with very small amounts each time, that looks really pretty. Like I could just wear this as an all over the lid eyeshadow, wear it alone, and it has a nice neutral color that I feel like is a perfect eyeshadow to just wear alone, but it has really pretty sparkle to it. So when I blend it out like this, I think it gives more of a sparkle effect. But if I layer it some more, then I can get a metallic effect. So let me give you a good view of how it looks. More of a diffused color, thinner layer. I really like that. I think that looks really flattering. The color is really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it that same way to the other eye. So still just taking a very small dollop. And I'm really liking the method of applying it with my finger because of that liquidy texture. I think I actually took too much because now I'm getting just a full foiled finish. It is kind of messy though. Like it's not the easiest product to apply. But now I want to try, so I'm picking up some more. If on my eyelid where I've already done like a light layer and it's not a completely metallic finish, if I just wanted to layer up one section, like the center of my eye, to see if I can, no, okay, that's weird. It's actually like rubbing away the other eyeshadow. I wanted to just get it to be the foiled effect in the center of the eye, but it like rubbed away all of the eyeshadow and didn't actually layer up. This is actually turning out to be a lot more difficult to apply than I expected. Oh man, I'm really bummed because I was so excited about this. And I feel like maybe I wasted my choice because this isn't really what I expected. Like on this eyelid, it looks very patchy. I was kind of able to layer this up, but it doesn't look great. Gosh, I feel like I'm just wasting so much of this. But maybe I need to do a thicker layer if I want it to be full metallic, not move my eye. It becomes sticky very easily. So if you touch it after it's been put in place, it'll kind of come off. It's actually really hard to get the full metallic pigment, and that's what I wanted this for. But it's really patchy. I actually can't even find this exact product on the Oryza website. And I'm wondering why Ipsy has it. But seeing how this looks, I am so not impressed. It's so hard to apply. It looks so uneven and patchy on the eyelid. Really, the best way to use this, in my opinion, is to take a tiny little bit and rub it all over as quickly as possible, so then you get a thin layer of shimmer, sparkle. But if you want to use this for what I would expect it's used to be, a foiled metallic eyeshadow, it just does not look right. And I feel like I really tried my best to make this work. Wow. Well, if you tried this, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on it. It says it can be built up to give your lids intense mirror-like shine. That's what I really wanted to get. I wanted to get that full foiled effect, and it just would not layer up. I am so bummed. I had high expectations for this, but this was definitely a fail for me. I hate when products turn out to be failures, but it's bound to happen. And in 804 days, there have not been that many, and for that I'm glad. But especially a product like this where I can't return it, but at least I did get it for a very good deal. But that's a risk you take with these beauty subscription boxes. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. So I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.